You need to learn an explosive hip snap, and you need to be able to realise how to time your breath and into the full extension in order for you to have this carryover for all of your hip hinge movements. That includes a deadlift, a kettlebell swing, a clean, a snatch, and it can carry over into so many other exercises. So picking anything up off the floor safely is a deadlift. So we always need to learn how to use our breath and match it with the movement pattern. So what we're going to do is talk about how to get into that explosive drive. You need to realise that this movement pattern is a fast, dynamic, sharp, explosive pattern. So we need to really initiate from our hinge, whatever we're doing, whether it's deadlift, clean, snatch, or kettlebell swing. So every single time I came up out of each of those exercises, I initiated a fast explosive hip snap. And that is going from this position to that position. Back. Now your breath is really important in this movement pattern because that exhale is your explosive breath that you match with the hip extension. So when we go from this drive back, weight in the heels, neutral spine, to this lockout upright plank here, we initiate feet through the floor, rockets explode through our legs, and butt cheeks walnut between them, switch on. Now if you do all those three things at once, it will stop you rocking back. So the way to practice this is put your hands here in the hip crease. Drive yourself back into this hinge. Exhale. And again. And again. And then practice with some movements. Weight between the legs for deadlift. Arms fully engaged. Shoulders away from ears. And clean. Straight up the body. Swing. Snatch. So, every single one of those movements, we go from the hip hinge to the hip snap to full extension. So practice that with the breath and get explosive and get stronger. This will change your kettlebell journey, it will change your strength journey, and it will get your heart rate up so that you're getting much more out of your workouts. Good luck.